Welcome back. This is the JP-1898NC joiner planer from Baileigh Industrial. Unlike other joiner planers, there's no compromise in the construction anywhere on this machine. It's a true professional grade machine, so if you have a tighter shop, it saves a lot of space and you don't need two machines. So let's look at the table. The table on here is 98 inches long, or 2,500 millimeters. It's 18 inches wide, or 460 millimeters. That's a big table, keeping that product nice and true throughout the entire joint or face. Now let's look at the cutter head. The cutter head is a 4 3/4 inch diameter head, or 120 millimeters. There's 6 rows of carbides on here, and those carbides can turn 4 times. The actual guard, if you have something that has to be opened up this far, does pull apart, so you can get by it really easily. All right, here we're at the Infeed table on this parallelogram joiner planer. Got a simple to use operator control panel for starting and stopping. To raise and lower this table, simply loosen the taper, turn this hand wheel. Come on to the back. Now there's 2 large dust ports. These dust ports are 6 inches or 150 millimeters. This is for the planer, this is for the joiner. Hook them up to a Baileigh Industrial Cyclone or a bag unit and you'll keep your shop nice and pristine. Now we've got 2 fences here. This is your facing fence that's down. Put it up and you've got a very large joiner fence, keeping that board nice and true. We can go to a 45 in seconds and we can actually move this inside and out. So now let's go take a look at the planer section. All right, down here in the bowels of this JP-1898NC, you can see this large input and outfeed table. This table is 1,800 millimeters or 71 inches by 18 inches wide or 457 millimeters. Nice thing about this is you've got a huge resting area on both sides. So now let's go over to the controller to show how to lift and lower this table. All right, here we're at the control panel for the planer. We've got your cutter head on. You've got your cutter head and your feed on. We've got a nice speed pot here that adjusts your variable speed for the feed. Down here we have a nice controller that allows you to punch in a few seconds, 4 inches for example, or 100 millimeters, and then press the button and it'll precisely go to that spacing in seconds. All right, now we've taken a good look at the JP-1898NC joiner planer. Again, there's absolutely no compromise on this professional grade machine. So to find out more about this great product or any of our other products, go to www.baileigh.com. Thanks for joining us.